Hey everyone! I'm going to use some of the Perfect Face products to show you my perfect, fresh, everyday look. First thing I do is I take Perfect Face Liquid Powder Illuminator and I apply it all over my face as a base to mattify it and hydrate. Then I go straight to eyes and I take Vanilla on the inner corner. Step 2 for eyes, I take Seashell in the center square. Step 3, I take Perfect Face Chocolate Cake just on the outer triangle. Blend it all together. Final step for the eyes is taking the dark espresso. I apply it as a liner for the daytime look, right into the lash line. After I've completed my eyes, I like to take a brush and brush off any excess product that came down because you never want a dark under eye. Now I go right in with my concealer. Always blending it in with a sponge blender. Now I take Almond Tart in Y8 powder, swirling my brush and applying it all over my face. I feel like my under eyes are a little dark, so I go in with my P2 really light powder and just press it up under my eye where I had applied that concealer. Now, the fun part, contouring and blush. Just to give my face some structure, really quick. Then I take my blush brush. This is my favorite, you guys. After my blush, I just barely cover the top of it with Fairy Tale. This is my go-to everyday highlight. And I just have barely any on there. Next is a very important, crucial step. No matter how hurried I am, I always do my brows. Brows are done. Now I move on to my mascara and then my lips, and we're ready to go. I'm gonna show you how I can quick fix my hair using some amazing Chi products. First, I'll take Chi Luxury Black Seed Dry Shampoo and just spray it all in the base because it was sweaty from my workout earlier. Then I just put my head back and bring all my hair up. I'll brush the sides with this Turbo Teasing Comb, putting it in a quick ponytail, and then I just wrap it around my finger, pull it around, and then I stick it right in that ponytail holder. Pulling it loose, I like to pull down some hairs. Last but absolutely not least, Chi Magnified Volume Hairspray. And I'm ready to go. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to see how I can quickly get ready for a day on the go here in New York City using the Perfect Face and Chi.